Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from a specific page on your Microsoft Word document. So let's get in. First of all, you can see we've got a table of contents, and this would be page number 1. Now I'm going to just zoom out so that you can see that this page is page number 1, of course, and then here where it says tables, this is actually my second page, but I would like this to be page 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my cursor is just before the first word on this page. From here, I'm going to go over to layout, and from layout, we are going to look for breaks. Now, on this drop down menu, you are going under section breaks, and you're going to tap on the next page option. Now, once you've tapped on this next page option, you're going to go over now to insert, and you are going to head over to the right hand side under header and footer, and you're going to look for page number. Now, right from here, you're going to tap on the bottom of page, and you are going to select the very first option. You can now see that we have a page number over here, but this is in fact not page number 3. What we're going to do here is we're going to go up, and under navigation you will see that the link to previous is actually highlighted. Now from here we're going to unhighlight this, because we do not want it to be linked to our previous page. We are then going over to the left hand side where it says header and footer, and we are going to tap on page number, and here we're going to go down to format page number, and quite simply we are going to not continue from previous section, but we're going to say start at, and then as we said, this is going to be page number 1, and we're going to tap on OK. Now this is page number 1. We will just remove this page at a later stage, but you can see now that this is our table of contents, and this is page number 1. And as we go down with the images, that's page number 2, that's page number 3, and this is page number 4, and so on. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.